Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix widgets are not loading after update issue in Samsung Galaxy A34. If you're using Galaxy A34 and you're facing the issue that after a software update, now your widgets are not loading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. Now the very best fix for this issue is the making a forced restart. Now to make a forced restart, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold your volume down and the power button. You just have to wait for it until you see a black screen here. So you might see a black screen in almost 5 to 10 seconds. Once you see the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. It will make a forced restart which might take longer than usual, so you just have to wait for this until your phone restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to wait for it until it's load or refresh, and then just unlock your phone. And now you have to retry to check out your widgets to check if your issue had been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to check the widget which is not working. So for example, I suppose that my weather widget is not working. So you have some possible ways. The very first way, you just have to click on your widget. It will open in your app, so just click on the menu icon of the app. So in weather widget, you have might get here in the three dots. Click on it, then click on three dots in the top right, go to settings, and here click on about weather to see for the latest version if there will be any pending update of your weather app or your widget app. So it might be fixed in this app. After doing this, if it's still not working for you, so you can try to go to settings app here, just scroll down, go to apps section, go to apps, and here just click on this sort icon, enable show system apps, click OK, click on three dots. Now just search for the app with which you're facing the issue. Let's say I'm gonna search for weather here. Here's weather, click on it, scroll down, click on storage, and click on clear cache. After clearing cache, try to clear data, then just go back and click on force stop. And once you have forcefully stopped your app, you just have to go back, and now here you can see that the widget is now not actually not working. You must this type of interface here, and you just have to click on your widget to load your widget, then click on it again to add some information like your location or your widget info here. Once you are done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.